Drive the 2018 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, fog lights, perimeter alarm, battery saver. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.